Hey guys! Wanna make something tasty and healthy? Today we're cooking up a light, yummy green bean stew, perfect if you're watching what you eat but still love flavor. Stick with me, and if you like this kind of stuff, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more healthy goodness. First things first, chop up some onion and garlic, nice and fine. Let's get that flavor started. Now grab your green beans and chop them up any size you like, just don't go to tiny, we want some bite. Heat up a spoon of olive oil, then toss in the onions first, let them soften a bit. Next goes the garlic, then add your meat, and finally the green beans. Give it all a good stir and let those flavors come together. Time to spice things up. Add some turmeric, a pinch of salt, and a bit of curry powder. That's what gives it that extra yummy kick. Now let's add some tomato paste or puree. This is what takes the flavor to the next level and gives it that beautiful, rich color. Just a little squeeze of lemon juice at the end, trust me, it makes all the difference. And finally, pour in some hot water, give it a gentle stir, and let everything simmer until it's perfectly cooked. This dish is great with whole wheat bread or even on its own, but I love it with a bit of tasty rice on the side. For the rice, just add 1 extra cup of water to however many cups of rice you use. I did 3 cups rice, 4 cups water. Let the water fully absorb on low heat. Then cover it up and let it steam. And that's it, friends, a simple, healthy, and delicious meal straight from my kitchen to yours. If you enjoyed cooking with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a recipe. Till next time, cook with love, eat with joy, and stay inspired.